Before I close everything up, I just want to try to clean some of this off. All the filth, dirt that builds up. You are going to need an adapter or adapters. Remember, these adapters don't have that plug inside, so make sure you take it on and off correctly. This is my low. This is my high. I take the blue gauge, I put it here. I take the red gauge and put it here. It's a Fujitsu split type air conditioner, outdoor use, model number AOU24RML1. The capacity is 4 pounds 10 ounces of 410A refrigerant. The design pressure high side 450 psi and a low side 240 psi. The two heads to be used are ASU RML Q or ASU 12 RML Q or ARU 9 RML or ARU 12 RML. 9,000 BTU, 12,000 BTU. We take the yellow hose to the back side off and bring it to a refrigerant. The company is A-Gas 410A refrigerant. We hook the hose up, counterclockwise is on. We turn this upside down when we're ready to put in the fluid. Pause the video at any given time so you can scan in for your phone the QR code for the tank. I already added my fluid in, my refrigerant. I'm only going to talk about this. When I hooked up my blue to the low end, the needle came up somewhere about 160 psi. I then hit the start and the unit turned on. I then pointed a thermal probe and I got a reading of 65-ish. I did the same to the front air conditioner and I got a reading of 40-ish. I asked my questions early in advance for answers. So I take it that if I'm at 160-ish and the unit is on, then I need to put refrigerant into 240, right about here. So I opened up my valve, 3 seconds, closed it. I repeated, open it up, closed it. I watched the needle increase some. I did not load up to 250. I loaded up just enough to be about reading 210, 220. After I let the unit settle and everything looked good for me at 210, I went and checked the air, and the air was colder than before. Rather risk more fluid going in without having a scale to check or vacuum to do things properly. This was how I got my unit up and running. I will not re-demonstrate doing this live. I had all the footage and lost it, and that was how I've done it. All my hoses are back on, and I hope this video of a 2-zone helps somebody out there. It is 110 through 130. That's all the answers I seen out there. Uncertain if I was at 210, where my pressure was at 160 through 210. I added just a little refrigerant. My units have been running good ever since. I got no problems at all.